Hi, thanks for watching. This is just in from the turner.
Finding the depth of the bottom of the bowl. 5 inches, but I'll lose some off the outside edge. 3 3/4 inches, but again I'm going to lose some off the outside edge, so probably that measurement's probably more like 4 3/4 inches, and the inside depth is more like 3.5 inches. Before I start, it's just a good gauge. This was a green wood blank. It's now seasoned and ready to be turned. It needs recentering, and then I'll turn the inside out. Hollowed it out. Now I need to finish the outside edge. Kind of from here to here I need to finish, so I can reverse it and do the bottom. But the inside is kind of finished. It probably needs a lot more sanding yet, but it's cut and it's the shape it should be. And now I'll cut round the side of the bowl. Hollowed out, ready for some oil, and the outside edge is finished. Ready for reversing, basically. Finishing oil to stop it moving about too much and seal it, just for now. Many more coats later.
Well, thanks for watching, guys, and thanks to the turner. Subscribe for more. Bye.